Manning Music features a full-service repair department staffed by certified technicians. Our experienced repair techs take on all kinds of instrumental issues, from simple dent removal and individual pad replacement to complete restorations and overhauls. Each instrument that comes into our repair department is individually assessed with free estimates available before work begins. Our technicians have more than 60 years combined experience diagnosing and remedying woodwind, brass, strings, and percussion. For students that need their instrument every day, Manning Music has a large number of loaner instruments available that may be checked out for free while repairs are being completed. Only high-quality parts from the original manufacturer, if available, are used. Expert care is put into every instrument. Manning Music keeps a detailed history of all repairs that technicians may access when problems occur. And every effort is made to get your instrument fixed and back to you quickly, with all repairs guaranteed for 30 days.